Hi everybody, Peter here, and so good that you're here today because today we're gonna do a really fun, quite tough, but really fun workout. Today we're gonna be animals. We are gonna do different fun animal moves. Quite hard. We're gonna do each move. We're gonna try our best for 1 minute. And if you're really tired during this minute, you can always stop and take a short break. And as soon as you're ready, you get back to it as quick as you can. In between each exercise, we are gonna take a short 20-second break, okay? And make sure you got a water bottle, or you can always drink after, because the workout is almost 9 minutes only. Now, if you feel that you're really strong, you have a lot of energy after we're done with this round, you're more than welcome to do another round. All right, are you ready? I'm gonna turn on the timer and then we go for it. Like I said, it's only 9 minutes, so really work your hardest now. We're gonna start with an inchworm. So we're gonna stand feet wide apart. We're gonna walk forward and we're gonna walk back again. Try to have straight legs. If you wanna add shoulder tap in the front, 1, 2, you can do that as well. You can also add a push-up if you want to. Do you think we look like inchworms here? Think we do? 25 seconds to go, guys. One, 2. 8 seconds to go. Maybe the last one now. 20-second rest, and then we're gonna do a tough one. We're gonna do frog jumps. So, frog jump, we're gonna touch the ground, and then we're gonna jump forward. You can jump around in a circle, so you can do like I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do 3 forward, then quick sprint back. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Run back, and 1, 2, 3. Run back, go back a little bit further. 1, 2, 3. Woo. 35 seconds to go. Halfway there. This one is tough though. I understand if you need to take a quick little break. Woo! 15 seconds to go. My legs are burning. Woo! Last one. 2, 3. Woo! Oh my God. Woo! Now we're gonna do crab. And I'm gonna show you the crab. We're gonna be up on our hands or up on our feet. When it's done, let's go. Now, if you wanna walk, you can do that. If you wanna try to take right hand to left foot, some toe touch, you can do that. Although I've never seen a crab doing this, but whatever. Or you can walk forward, maybe some backwards, some toe touch. What time? 30 seconds to go. This one is quite hard on your arms. Ooh. Like I said, if you have to take a quick break, then just do it and then come back to it as quick as you can. Right. What do we have left? 4 seconds. Ooh. That was tough. Penguin reach. When it's time, we're gonna have bent knees on our back, and then we're gonna try to bend like you've seen penguins when they walk. Let's go. Do you know which part of the body you work now? It's your core. The stomach muscles, the side, which is called the obliques, and also the lower back muscles. And don't hold your breath. Always keep breathing. What do we have left? 15 seconds to go. Come on, guys. Almost there. 2, 1, and let's come up again. I think. Yes. We're gonna do a dragon. And dragon is a balance move. So what you're gonna do, we're gonna do 30 seconds on our right leg, 30 seconds on our left. We're gonna have the left leg up, right leg down, and then we're gonna try to come forward. Then we can come up again. Try to keep the balance the whole time. Better than I could there. Lift the leg, and another dragon. Let's change leg. Left leg up, down, right leg up. Oh, I'm dripping. I'm so sweaty. It's so hot here. Ooh. Let's come up. And last one. Excellent. What do we have now? A bear crawl. Ooh. And on bear crawl, we're gonna come down, bend our knees a little, and then we're gonna walk. But it's not time yet. 5 more seconds rest. Here you can go backwards or forward. You choose. Here you're working a lot with your shoulders. 30 seconds to go. "15 seconds to go. Come on, guys. Woo. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh. Now we're gonna do a little yoga move. We're gonna do a downward dog to spider plank. So, a down dog is almost like a bear crawl. Then you're gonna come forward to a plank, and the spider plank is when you pull the knee forward into a downward dog. And right leg, downward dog. This is the last exercise, guys. Come on. Do a spider plank. We got 28 seconds to go. I know you can do it. I know you're super strong, all of you. Downward dog. spider plank. Downward dog, into spider plank. Downward dog, spider plank. Last one, spider plank. Wow, we're done. Excellent job, everybody. Give yourself a big, big round of applause. Ooh, so good work, everybody. Like I said before, if you're still feeling super strong, then you're more than welcome to do another round. Great, but I know I'll see you soon for another workout, right? By the way, if you know any animal moves that I haven't included in this workout, please let me know. Please send a video or something to me. So it would be cool for me to include your exercises in the next workout. I see you soon again, everybody. Thanks a lot for taking part. Have a great day. Bye.